Hello everyone, I have a little announcement for you. So look at this. This is a new design. This is not the Sprint and this is not the Ragnarok. No, this is the Super Sprint. So I've been working on this for past 3 months, and finally after the first test I've decided to tell you what I have been working on. So this is basically, this will come as a free update for everyone who bought the Sprint. And this is called the Super Sprint. How I made it is that I basically took the Ragnarok and I scaled it down, of course with many modifications which were required. And then I took the MJ35 and I scaled it down, of course with some more modifications to make it fit. There were some problems with the space in the hull, so there were some challenges, and this is not still like fully ready, but the test was successful. Just apart from a little crack right here, I don't know if you can see it. So then I got the hull full of water, but still this is pretty soon to be ready to be completely working and basically being a better version of the Sprint. I will be telling you more about this in the future, in a close future, and I might even release this for public testing as a beta. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that.